Hey friends, this is Atif here, well, and welcome to the new update on CoTi. In my previous video, I was showing you an inverse head and shoulder pattern that CoTi was forming on a weekly time frame chart after breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern. And this was the video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line is got rejected by this long-term resistance of 10 cents and still forming this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for CoTi that I shared a few days back on 25th of April 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for CoTi that I shared a few days back on 25th of April 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that CoTi formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving sideways inside this buying zone. And I'm expecting that soon it can start the next price reversal from here. By the way, before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal, another Gardner move that was also formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice price reversal from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, almost 60% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me here in the video's description you can find there. Now let me to take you here on a weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that CoTi was moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, we found the resistance here in the month of October 2021. And after several attempts and after a very long time frame, we have broken out this resistance here in the month of January 2023. And you can see we got rejected by this very long-term resistance of 13 cents. And we are now trying to break out this resistance of 10 cents. You can see we had a long spike, but the price and could not even save this support of 10 cents as well, and still moving under this resistance. But at the same time, we also have the formation of a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Here we have the formation of the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder of inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the neckline is moving slightly to the downside. This is the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. However, after this neckline, we will still have a very long-term resistance at 13 cents as well. You can see for the past several weeks or months, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And before that, it was also breaking as a support as well. Therefore, still, even after breaking out this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the price line will still need to break out this resistance in order to continue its move to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, once the price line will be able to break it out, then the target can be here. That will be approximately at 26 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.